Hi, kids! Welcome to our ABC learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn all the letters from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for apple. Apples are yummy and healthy. Can you say A? Great job. B is for ball. Balls are so much fun to play with. Can you say B? Awesome. C is for cat. Cats are cute and cuddly. Can you say C? Let's keep going. D is for dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly. Can you say D? E is for elephant. Elephants are big and strong. Can you say E? F is for fish. Fish swim in the water. Can you say F? G is for giraffes. Giraffes have long necks. Can you say G? H is for hat. Hats keep your head warm. Can you say H? I is for ice cream. Ice cream is a tasty treat. Can you say I? Let's keep going. J is for jelly. Jelly is wobbly and sweet. Can you say J? K is for kite. Kites fly high in the sky. Can you say K? L is for lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle. Can you say L? You're doing amazing. M is for monkey. Monkeys love to swing in trees. Can you say M? N is for nest. Birds build nests to live in. Can you say N? O is for octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms. Can you say O? Let's keep going. P is for penguin. Penguins waddle when they walk. Can you say P? Q is for queen. Queens wear crowns. Can you say Q? R is for rabbit. Rabbits hop and have long ears. Can you say R? You're doing great. S is for sun. The sun gives us light and warmth. Can you say S? T is for tiger. Tigers have stripes and are very strong. Can you say T? U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry in the rain. Can you say U? Let's keep going. V is for violin. Violins make beautiful music. Can you say V? W is for whale. Whales are the largest animals in the ocean. Can you say W? X is for xylophone. Xylophones make fun sounds. Can you say X? You're almost there. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yos go up and down. Can you say Y? Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Can you say Z'd? Let's repeat the ABC alphabets together. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Keep going, kids. You can do it. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and push the bell icon. Thank you.